Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to assign leads in Zoho CRM. All right, let's begin. First, go to the Leads module in Zoho CRM. This is where all your potential customer leads are stored and managed. From here, you'll see a list of leads your business has gathered. Next, open the specific lead you want to assign. Click on the lead to view its details, including contact information, interaction history, and any notes your team has added. Now, look for the owner field within the lead's profile. This shows the person currently responsible for managing that lead. To reassign it, click on Edit at the top first. Then, click on the current owner's name. A drop-down menu will appear with all available users in your CRM. Select the new user who should take over the lead. This could be a sales team member or a manager better suited to handle it. Once you've chosen the new owner, save your changes. So that's basically how you can assign leads in Zoho CRM. That's it for this video. Thanks.